Today I'm going to show you guys what would have happened to Dr. Otto Octavius if he never got his PhD. That's right, we're making grilled octopus.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how absolutely easy it is to make grilled octopus. Let's octo it. Does that sound too much like Hoktua? Doesn't matter. Let's do it. Hi. We're going to start by getting one of these bad boys. Hi, friend. Hello. Step one, get yourself an octopus. Bunch of salt goes everywhere. We're going to start by giving it a salt massage. This is going to clean it up. This is going to clean it all up. Oh, yeah. Big salty animal. While we're at it, we're also going to remove the beak. It's this little thing right here. Just push it out. Ooh, there it is. Little beak. Now that he's clean, we're going to rinse him off with a bit of cold water. And now we've got a super clean octopus. Rough day for tentacruel. Yay! I'm going to chop one onion in half. Giant pot of boiling water. One onion. Whoop. Yeah. One onion. I'm also going to quarter one lemon. One lemon. One thing of garlic. Beautiful garlic goes in. I'm also going to do one red chili. I'm going to do two. I'm going to do two. Two red chilies because I'm an adult. So we're going to use parsley in the chimichurri, but I'm going to use the stems in the bouillon. Whoop. Ooh. We're also going to do 4 bay leaves, teaspoon of peppercorns, and a pinch of salt, and a few sprigs of sage. That's sage advice. Pew. Now mix it all up. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me show you what it looks like. Camera goes here. And that's what it looks like. Back to it. We're going to bring this pot over here. Now I'm going to take my octopus. Ooh. I'm going to dip the octopus in the hot water a couple times so it curls the tentacles. That way they don't stick to each other. Just like that. Now put it in. Now we're going to let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. In the meantime, we're going to make other fun things. See you soon, buddy. While we wait on this handsome devil, let's make some chimichurri. We're going to start with 1 jalapeno. Maybe I put on gloves. Jalapenos, more like jalapeno, yo. Jalapeno business. Remove those seeds. No need for seeds. Need for seeds. Little dice of jalapeno. I'm also gonna do some mint. Why didn't you prepare the mint? Because you're a boof boof. Big stupid face forgot to prepare the mint. Chop up your mint. They call me Mr. Minternational. No one calls you that. Bring back that parsley. Jalapenos and the mint go in there too. Whoop. Little drizzle of olive oil. Little pinch of salt. Chippity chop your chimichurri. We're gonna do a nice glug of olive oil. Little frugal doofle noofles. Just a bit of smoked paprika. Like about a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Splash of sherry vinegar. Pinch of salt. Ooh, whoop. Now mix it all up. Don't worry if you made too much chimichurri. It goes on everything. Now let's make some garlic chips. We're gonna use a mandolin to thinly slice our garlic. Be careful. You know what, we're gonna bring this back. I'm bringing it back. Calling it audible. I'm gonna use this extra garlic in the churri. I don't care. A little bit of garlic in the churri, because why not, you know? And that's gonna add some nice little hello. Woohoo! Oh, okay. Woo! We're gonna heat up some oil for the garlic chips. That's the word I'm looking for. Garlic chips. I'm gonna fry these up until they're a nice golden brown. Woo! Hot. It's hot. It's okay. It's hot, but it's okay. Drain these on a paper towel. We're gonna hit them with a little pinch of salt. Ow, it's hot, it's okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's hot, it's okay. Ow, ow, ow. Little garlic chips. Oh yeah. All right, let's bring you over here. Hold on, I got this. Oh boy. Oh boy, we're gonna put that on a rack. That's pretty. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at this beautiful gentleman. A good way to check if it's ready is to use a toothpick. You want there to be a bit of resistance, but not too much. That's perfect. So we're gonna let this guy come to room temperature, and then it's gonna be time to grill. Cool off, mister. Now that it's cooled off, we're gonna remove the legs. Just gonna remove the head real quick. Beautiful. Nice. And that's your octopus. Let's get grilling. I'm just gonna hit with a bit of olive oil. We're gonna give him a nice little coating with our hands. Now, if you want, you can hit it with a little bit of salt here, but I think the churri has enough salt in it, so we're gonna keep this just with oil. We're just gonna do this with a bit of oil. Woo! Oh, I'm gonna use a very heavy grill pan. Gonna brush it with a little bit of oil. And here we go. Remember, these are fully cooked. All we want now is some nice char marks on it. We want to have it nice and crispy outside. You get smoky in here. There it is. Now we're getting there. Look at that. Pull these off. Ugh. Now we're gonna let the smoke go away. Oopsies, oopsies. Little bit of smoke, but that's okay. Let's plate. We're gonna start with a little bit of chimichurri on the bottom. Now the beautiful octopus goes on. A little bit of chimichurri on top as well. A couple garlic chips as well. And a little bit of lemon zest. And some fresh lemon. Perfection. Now we eat. Oh boy. That's so good. Super tender. That's perfection. Get on this. Come on. I'm telling you guys. Easy, delicious. That's all you need. That's all you need. Serve this with like potatoes or something. Forget about it. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. I don't even care. I eat the whole plate. I'm gonna eat the whole plate. Bye, friends. More. I love octopus so much. That's good stuff.